Hello again. Today in Pronunciation Matters, we are going to speak about how Rioplatense Spanish and BBC English phonological systems compare. We are going to introduce the generalities, and then in future videos I'm going to analyze the similarities and differences more in detail. As regards Rioplatense Spanish, we can say that it has grapheme-phoneme correspondence, which makes it easier for Spanish learners to learn how to read and write. On the other hand, when Spanish students want to learn English, the difficulty they find is that in English we have no grapheme-phoneme correspondence. So one sound can be represented by many different spellings, and one spelling can represent many different sounds. This implies the need of a lot of practice and reinforcement to help learners to acquire good pronunciation and good spelling. Spanish is a syllable-timed language, and that is why we use full vowels in all our utterances. On the other hand, English is a stress-timed language, and this stress time is what gives it its main characteristic. Short vowels play a very important role in shortening syllables and giving the language its characteristic. Spanish has grammar flexibility, and we can move words according to our needs, leaving the most relevant piece of information to the end of the utterance. That is why we can keep broad focus. On the other hand, the strict grammar rules of English force us to use narrow focus, because we cannot change the order of words so easily, and we have to highlight the most relevant piece of information using the nuclear stress. So we change focus in the utterance to highlight the information we want to make relevant. As regards tones, we share with English, Spanish and English, the value of proclaiming and referring tones in most of the cases. Using proclaiming tones with the idea of completeness and definiteness, and referring tones or rising tones associated with incompleteness and evocative value. Nevertheless, we have to be very careful, because there are instances in which these tones are not used in the same way, and since intonation expresses attitude, we might produce misunderstanding by using the wrong intonation pattern. We are going to analyze things in detail in our future videos. Thank you very much, and this is all for today.